Google Authenticator not working, how to fix. If your Google Authenticator app isn't working, the first thing you can try to check is your internet connection. Sometimes due to a poor connectivity, you might not be able to properly use the Authenticator app. You can also restart the application if it is still turned on in the background, close it completely and open it up. If you're using Google Authenticator on Android, you can long press the Google Authenticator app icon, tap on this I button that will take you to the app info page, from where you can go to storage and clear the cache files. Also check if it is updated to the latest version. You want to make sure that all of your codes are backed up properly to your cloud, and here you can see your everything will be synced automatically. If this is not working, you can try to sync them manually by going to settings and syncing the time settings for Google Authenticator. So this way you can basically fix if Google Authenticator isn't working. I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.